Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students and respected parents. How are you all? I hope all of you fine and safe in your homes. And I'm your maths teacher and my name is Nazia Dilawar. First of all, beta, I will give you moral lesson, and today's moral lesson: help others. Repeat with me: help others. And student, nowadays in our country, due to lockdown, people are not able to get food and their necessary things. So what should we do, students? हमें क्या करना चाहिए बेटा? वी शुड हेल्प देम. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ वी कैन हेल्प देम? by giving them food and money. Yes, by giving them food and money. And students, if you help others, then Allah will helps you. अगर हम किसी की मदद करेंगे तो हमारी मदद कौन करेगा? यस, तो हमारी मदद अल्लाह करेगा, अल्लाह करेंगे. यस, if you help others, then Allah will helps you. So we should develop the habit of helping others. Okay, come to the topic. Today we are going to learn about division. And also we can solve countdown pages 81 and 82. First of all, beta, anyone tell me what is division? Yes, division means sharing equally. But how will you do that? हम ये कैसे करेंगे? When you divide, you separate into equal parts. Division means the process of placement or distribution equally. Division means divide equally. Okay, now anyone tell me the sign of division? Yes, the division sign is a symbol consisting of a short horizontal line with a dot above and another dot below. Okay, now next I will give you an example of division like this. We have 6 divided by 3 and they are equal to 2. And how we can find the quotient is 2? We can read 3 times table. Hurry up, read with me. 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Yes, how many 3 made 6? 3 twos are 6. And what is 6 is called dividend, then 3 is called divisor. And now the 2 is not, we can say, answer. 2 को हम आंसर नहीं करेंगे. The 2 is called quotient. Okay, now next I will give you some examples, some stories, sums of division, and you will better understanding about division. Okay, now you can see division by sharing equally. And in this example, divide these 16 oranges equally between 4 families. And we have 16 oranges, like you can see. We have 16 oranges and we want to divide equally these 16 oranges between 4 families. And we have 4 families and we want to divide these 16 oranges between 4 families like this. First of all, we will give 1 orange, then again 1. We will give orange again 1 to the family like this. Then after this we will give again 1, and last we will again 1 orange we will give the family. Then how many oranges one family get? Count 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Each family gets 4 oranges. Beta, we have 16 oranges and we are divide equally between 4 families. 16 divided by 4, read 4 times table. 4 fours are 16, so each family get 4 oranges. Next example, divide these 15 bananas equally between 3 monkeys. We have 3 monkeys and we also have 15 bananas, like 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 and 15. We have 15 bananas and we divide these 15 bananas between 3 monkeys like this. You can see we will give first of all 1 banana, then 2 then 3 then 4 and last one we will give 5 bananas. So you can count. One monkey get 1 2 3 4 5 bananas, then second monkey also get 5 bananas, and then last one, third monkey, is also get 5 bananas. So it's mean we are divide 15 bananas equally between 3 monkeys. Each monkey gets 5 bananas. And you can write 15 divided by 3. Read 3 times table. How many 3's make 15? 3 5's are 15. 3 5's are 15. So each monkey gets 5 bananas. Next you can see examples of division like this. We have 12 divided by 2 and they are equal. Read 2 times table. Hurry up, hurry up. Read with me. Yes, 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12. Next, 5 divided by 1. Read 1 times table, very easy. And how many ones make 5? 1. Read with me. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, and 1 fives are 5. 1 fives are 5. So question is 5. Now the next example, 9 divided by 3 and they are equal. Read 3 times table. How many 3's made 9? Read 3 times table. All of you student beta read. 3 3's are 9. 3 3's are 9. So question is 3. Now in next example, 2 divided by 2. Very easy. Read 2 times table. 2 zeros are 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. So the quotient is 1. So the quotient is 1. Now next example, 10 divided by 2. Read 2 times table. 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, and 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. So the quotient is 5. Now the next example, 12. 12 divided by 3. Read 3 times table. How many 3's make 12? 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 12. How many 3's made for 12? 3 fours are 12. Next, 6 divided by 2. As it is, you can read 2 times table. How many 2's make 6? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6. So the quotient is 3. Now next, 8 divided by 2. Read 2 times table. How many 2's make 8? Hurry up, beta, revise 2 times table. 2 4's are 8. 2 4's are 8. So 4 is answer or quotient? Yes, 4 is called quotient. Next, 14 divided by 2. Read 2 times table, and how many 2's make 14? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 as it is 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. So the quotient is 7. After this beta, I will give you home task like this. You can see some division sums, like first one is 8 divided by 4, then 3 divided by 3, 5 divided by 5, very easy. 10 divided by 5, 15 divided by 3. As it is, you can solve these division sums, and that is very easy, and you can solve these sums in your rough copy. Next, you can also solve countdown page 81, but not on your countdown. You can solve this page on your rough copy. Okay, these very simple division sums, and you can already understanding about these sums, so you can solve these countdown page on your rough copy, not on your countdown. Okay beta, Allah Hafiz, take care.